Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another Topic Tuesday. Today's topic is what would be the first nail polish I would buy if I lost my entire collection. First, I have to say that I would be absolutely devastated if I lost my entire collection, and that might seem kind of shallow, but if you're nail polish people watching this, then you understand. I would be absolutely devastated. I have so many nail polish favorites that this really took me quite a long time to figure out. I'm sure it would be easiest to replace the mainstream ones you can pick up from the drugstore. So it probably would be easiest to pick up like my Pure Ice and my Sinful Colors, and of course anything that's clearance, because if I lost all of this, I don't even know where I would begin to re-buy. I think I would just have to start over. You know what I mean? And not try too much to get back what I've lost, because so many of what I have are limited edition. I don't know if you can tell, I just am all tense and I don't like thinking about it. So we'll just talk about this quick, and this will be a short video. Many of you know that I do have all of the Moonshine Manny nail polishes, and some of that took some tracking down on my part. I did not go to some of the previous indie shops, so Phoebe has sometimes put, if she has extra nail polish from the indie shop, she has sometimes put nail polishes in with orders, so I've gotten a couple that way, and I've tracked some other exclusive polishes down through some D-stashes. Butterscotch Buttons is one of my favorite ones, and that was on my Instagram not too terribly long ago, but that was one that I had to track down. First off, I love Moonshine Manny. I would not talk about it on here nearly as much as I do if I did not love them. I legitimately love these nail polishes, but I also love, as a nail polish person, nail polish addict slash lover person, I love that I have all of the Moonshine Manny nail polishes that were available to me, even though some of them took some tracking down. So I think that that would be the hardest for me to lose. Maybe too, because Phoebe is a friend of mine. I bought her nail polish before she was a friend of mine, and I 100% would tell you the truth about her nail polish whether or not she was a friend of mine, so please don't think that affects what I'm telling you, because it absolutely does not. But it affects how sentimental they are to me, because I do know and love Phoebe. So I really think that I've been thinking about this for quite a while, and I really think that I would have to buy my Moonshine Manny in the Pacific. This blue, I just love. It just makes me happy. So many nail polishes make me happy, but this one definitely makes me happy. It is Phoebe's interpretation of a dupe for Sally Hansen Pacific Blue. It is just about a one coater. Depending on your application, it probably could be a one coater. I believe she still has this on her website for sale. It does get a little bit of ugly bottle syndrome sometimes, but it shakes right up nicely. It doesn't affect the way that it applies to your nails. But part of the reason that I had to pick this one, besides that I love it so much and that it's a blue, is this is the one I have the most backups of. When I first bought this and I was loving it so much, it would give me anxiety to think that I was going to run out of it, even though I had been accidentally sent one backup of this. She had accidentally sent me this instead of a different nail polish. So I had 2 bottles already, and I still bought a third. So this is the only nail polish that I have 2 backups of, because I love it so much. I don't want to be without it. So this would probably be the one that I would have to buy first if I lost all my nail polish. And now that better never happen, because I don't think I could deal with it. So tell me which nail polish you guys would buy. If you lost all of your nail polish and you had to start over again, what would be the first one that you guys would buy? Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you have a great week. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!